Hello, families. The next group of letters I want to talk to you about today are continuous sounds. Now, continuous sounds are just what they say. The sound can continue for as long as you have air to say them. These are usually the first letters that are taught when in kindergarten when we're teaching sounds to children. They're the most frequently used in print text. And they're the most straightforward to teach. But you also have to make sure that you are eliminating that schwa at the end. Because those sounds are continuous, kids may want to stop that sound by adding the at the end, when it's really just a continuation of that sound. For example, the L sound is and you can continue that sound, except when you're blending the sounds in a CVC word, you're going to want to bring that next sound into your word. So let's say, for example, the word is luck. You're going to say that and you'll blend those sounds together that way. Sometimes kids will say la for that sound, and you want to correct that because there is no schwa at the end of this letter. It's just The next one, V. The sound for M is the continuous sound N. F. Now, F is just an expression of air. There is no that's part of that. So you can have kids practice inhaling and saying that F sound until they run out of breath. Okay. Now, R. For S as well, you can inhale and practice that S sound until you run out of air. And finally, the last continuous sound we have is Z. Once again, take an inhale of air and let out as a continuous sound. Z. Okay, so those are our continuous sounds, and the last group of sounds that you'll see a video about are the tricky sounds. Stay tuned for that one.